Hello, this is video tutorial about how to optimize your YouTube embeds in WordPress website. In most my articles, in my blog posts, I have a video which is embedded from YouTube, and it shows what is this tutorial about and how this can be useful. And downside with YouTube video embeds, they are not lazy. They load on every page and they load a lot of data from YouTube. On average, it's more than 1 megabyte data, and I want to lazy load those videos. I want videos to be loaded only on click. So when user sees a thumbnail of video, if they want to watch it, they can click it and then load the video. And with WordPress or with any website, there is lazy loading for images, lazy loading for other stuff, like you can add lazy loading for JavaScript as well, but for YouTube videos, there is no built-in lazy loading feature. You can use plugins or code snippets, and I am using code snippets because I like how easy it is, and I don't want to bloat my WordPress with lots of plugin features that I don't use or see ads from those plugins. For that reason, I prefer using code snippets. Before starting with code snippet, let me show you how this page loads on PageSpeed score and what are those stats. On this page I have a single video and couple images, and it's pretty much regular article on my blog. This is PageSpeed score for that page, and as you can see, this score is very low. And let's see how long it took. It took 8 seconds to start loading page, and it's very slow. Usually you want 1 second here or maximum 2 seconds, and this is screenshots of that page. And when we dive into report, you don't see any huge difference on the regular stuff, but there is no exact location why it's slow, why is that score. You can see here that I have a 700 kilobytes more data, and when we click on it, you can see it's YouTube. It's almost 1 megabyte data, and it offers us to shrink down it, remove half of it or more than half of it, but that's not a solution because we are not controlling YouTube. If we go to how fast this page was, it was very fast. It's like 42 milliseconds, but this page is already optimized because with caching, page cache, and with smaller images, with lazy JavaScript, etc. It's fully optimized, and only not optimized part is YouTube video, which is here. This 45 score is not consistent. It can change, like it can be 50, sometimes it even shows me 90. For example, on this test, on other test, it shows me 93 for the same page, and I can see that it still loads lots of YouTube, same amount of YouTube data. And we can see, for example, it's already from using page cache, which is 65 milliseconds, which is really good. And here is total page size is 1.3 megabytes, which means I load YouTube embed in a regular way without optimization. So this page score can change, but result is it loads lots of data, is not changing. So sometimes you can get 50, sometimes 45, sometimes 90. And I want to optimize it. I'm using Code Snippets plugin. Now let's go to Snippets page, and from here find lazy load YouTube snippet and enable it. And here is optimized version of that YouTube embed. As you can see, it's image with button in the middle. When I click on it, then it starts loading that YouTube embed, real YouTube embed. And now we can see, yeah, it's loaded and it's when we click on it, it will play YouTube video. And here is a test result with lazy loading YouTube, same page. Now we can see I can get 100 page speed score, and page is really fast. It's 1 second to start loading, and page speed index is also fast. And when we go to, so there is nothing more that you can identify from here, but if we go to how was this document loaded, it's loaded from cache, and total page size was 145 kilobytes. So it's almost 10 times or 9 times smaller than page with regular YouTube embed. So this is much faster, much smaller, which is really good for your visitors especially if they are visiting your website from using their mobile phones. So they don't need to, on every page, to download 1 megabyte of extra data if they don't want to watch your video. And this is really good. And let's see what happens if I have 10 videos on a page. So I have created a test page with 10 videos, 10 embeds, like this. And this is test result for page speed, test result for 10 videos, page with 10 videos. As you can see, its page speed score is 57, and page is really slow. It starts loads after 2 seconds, and speed index, which means like how all components on this page is loaded, 31 seconds. The user had to wait half a minute to load all those video content, even if they don't want to watch all those 10 videos, which is not good. So it shows us like some enormous amount of time and almost amount of size. As you can see here, 10 videos makes 12 megabytes of page size, increases page size to 12 megabytes. Page is generated fast and loaded from cache. And here is another test which shows 58. So it's pretty much consistent around this score on all pages. So if I refresh this report, I get similar results for 10 video page. After optimization, if I check page speed insights, I get 100 page speed score. Page load time is under 1 second. Page index is also under 1 second. Total blocking time 0. And this is screenshot of page. So all thumbnails visible instantly. Page is loaded from cache, super fast. And page size is 278 kilobytes for 10 videos, which is really good. And mostly those are images, thumbnails for those 10 videos loaded from YouTube. So this is really simple optimization. You can get code from my website, webpa.com lazy load YouTube, and when you scroll down you will see code snippet. You need to copy it, then go to your code snippets page. You can use any plugin, but I prefer using code snippets plugin. So go to your code snippets plugin, add a new snippet, name it, give descriptive name, then just paste code that you copied earlier and run it everywhere. So it's run inside admin as well, not only on front end. I will show you why you need to run it in admin. Give description, give tags, and save changes and activate plugin. So it's really easy to use. And if we see, for example, if we edit this page with 10 videos, you need to use it in aside admin because it's in your editor. It will load this code snippet this YouTube optimized code, optimized YouTube embed using that code snippet. If you don't run it in admin, then this will embed from YouTube, and it will be really slow. It will use your server resources to get that embed code for each video. And here we can see that thumbnail and everything is visible. So this code snippet works for your posts, pages. It also works for your widgets. So if I go to widgets, let me show you widgets in my demo website, local website. So it's regular text field with just YouTube URL. If I go to page, so if I open page, you can see widget is on sidebar, lazy loaded YouTube embed code, embed widget. So it works for widget and for main content. Now if I want to switch to other like full site editing theme, let's see how it looks in latest theme 2025. So this page is with one video page. This is how it looks. It loads, it renders exactly same as with other as with regular classic theme. And we can see it here. So it works for most of the WordPress themes on classic and on full site editing theme. With full site editing, if your theme has some different styling, your video may look a bit different. You need to fix it yourself probably, because every theme is different, but in most cases it will work and load as regular YouTube embed. Now let me show you comparison of before after optimization. So this is before, we get 45 PageSpeed score, and after it's 100 PageSpeed score. The only difference is here YouTube is not optimized, and here YouTube embeds are optimized and lazy loaded. It will load on click. And here is comparison table. So without optimization, your page size will be 9 times more than with optimization. And if you have 10 videos, your page size will be 44 times bigger than with optimization. In order to get 100 PageSpeed score, you need other parts also to be optimized. I have a checklist that shows page caching, lazy loading, JavaScript code, and other optimizations that you need to apply to your WordPress website. And you can get that checklist from my website webpa.com/speed. It's a simple PDF which shows how steps that you should complete in order to get 100 PageSpeed score, and your website will be fast. I am using it on all my websites, so you can get that PDF checklist and apply it to your websites as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll be adding other code snippets as well, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe as you usually do. I am really happy when you comment. See you in next videos.